In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio files using Gmail. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable with the process by the end. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to access Gmail by opening up your web browser and navigating to Gmail's website. Make sure you're signed into your account. If not, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your Gmail dashboard, which typically shows your inbox. Now that we're on the Gmail webpage, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. You'll find a button labeled Compose. Click on that button to open a new message window. This is where you'll start drafting the email in which you'll include the audio file. You'll see the new message window pop up in the lower right corner of the screen. In this window, begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. You can also add any additional recipients if needed, either in the CC field for carbon copies or BCC for blind carbon copies. Next, fill in the subject line with a brief description of the email content to give your receiver a heads up on what's inside. Once you have the bare bones of your email ready, it's time to attach your audio file. Locate the paperclip icon at the bottom of the new message window. It's a universal symbol for attachments in most email applications, and Gmail is no different. Click on this paperclip icon. A window will then appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files and folders. Navigate through your directories until you find the audio file you want to send. Once you have located your file, click on it to highlight it and then hit either Open or Attach. You should see the file starting to upload into your email. If your file exceeds 25 megabytes, don't worry. Gmail is equipped to handle larger files automatically by creating a Google Drive link instead. This way, your recipient can easily download the audio file without any hassle. After successfully attaching your file, take a moment to complete the composition of your email. Add any messages or additional information in the body as needed. Once you're satisfied, double check all the details, make sure the recipient's email is correctly entered, and ensure all the content in your email is accurate. Finally, when everything seems ready, you're all set to send your email. Look for the big blue send button at the bottom of the email window and give it a click. And there you have it, you've just sent an audio file using Gmail. Thanks for watching, I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect.